This is the K-12 instructional design framework, no? So sa framework natin, ito no, learner-centered tayo, di ba? We are surrounded by the curriculum, teaching, and assessment. So, in the curriculum, di ba, na naka-base tayo sa national standard, no? National standard, national curriculum standard. And so, the teacher, no, yung mga teacher are trained through seminar look sa ato ang mga learners. And hindi makakalimutan natin yung assessment because dyan sa assessment, dyan natin makikita kung saan ba ang pwede nating maitadagdag doon sa ating mga learners. So, because approach stipulated in the Enhanced Basic Education Act of 2013 or the RA 10533 that clearly specified the recovery program. The NLRP focuses on addressing learning gaps. Nagkakaroon tayo ng learning gaps because of the disruption caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. As well as tayo ng mga teacher, di ba, meron tayong collaboration because that's the time that mag-work together tayo. Mag-share tayo ng best practices natin, our resources, and the strategies to improve the overall teaching quality natin. So, instructional design framework is grounded in the principles, no? So, we will go to the 4 I's. So, siguro naman tayo nakakalam ng 4 I's. So, 4 I's, no? The 4 I's is instructional principle. First one is inclusive. Okay. So, pag sinasabi natin inclusive, no? Lahat, even those learners with disability are, no? Dapat turuan natin. Hindi natin, hindi ka pwede kasi may disability ka. Or those students, inclusive tayo. No? And educational. So, from the word idea, it involves generating ideas, concepts that can be used to describe the thoughts born in the technology, no? Madali lang talaga sa kanila na maging innovative sila. So, because they are immersed with technologies and varied tools. Okay, so we have also the 4 C's. The first is, okay, context. Okay, so pag sinabi natin context, konteksto, sana, so settings and backgrounds. So the context helps them better appreciate the importance of being taught. Ano ba ito ka-importante? No? Imaano ng mga bata kung gaano ba ka-importante ito.